Hey everybody, this is Guru Francis, Big Boy Screamador, and I am super excited, super excited. Something came in the mail and I want to share it with all of you as I unbox it. So this came in the mail today and I am super excited to open it. This is something that we're going to be using at the Battle in the Desert tournament, and our sponsor, Mandocore, has sent it to us. Mandocore, you say? What did they bring? What did they give us? Well, here we go. Let me show you this. I'm going to open it with my handy dandy dart knife. So clearly, we have to. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh. Okay. And there we go. That should, there it is. Uh-oh, look at these guys. What could these possibly be, right? I wonder what it is. All right, so again, we're gonna use my handy dandy dart knife. It's good to save these bubble wraps because you never know when I have to ship something, and you want to make sure it arrives there safely and securely. So these bubble wraps are essential to mailing stuff, right? What is it? What is it? Whoa! We have lightsabers! Boom! We have three blades. I mean, three red lightsabers, right? And we have three red ones, as well as one extra blade of blue and red, and some of the the wrench that you can to tighten these. Oh my goodness! So these are what we're going to be using at the upcoming Battle in the Desert tournament. So guys, lightsabers, FMA, match made in heaven. I am super excited about these, and you know, these are what we're going to be using at the tournament, and maybe if you're nice, I might raffle this off as one of the prizes as well. So I'll see you guys at Battle in the Desert on March 26th and 27th. The lightsabers on March 26th. And don't forget to register at www.fmaschool.com/desert. Until then, peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them lightsabers.